ọmụmaatụ Ngozi gara ahịa. Gara that is there is the verb, the ngwaa. If you should remove that gara, that's ngwaa. There's no how you say Ngozi ahịa. Ngozi ahịa. What does it mean? The person that you're passing the information to won't even be able to understand what you're trying to say. Ngozi ahịa is understandable, like what happened to Ngozi, what happened to I. But when you add that ngwaa to it, that is gara, you have created the meaning, and the information you're trying to pass across will be well understood. Ngozi gara ahịa, that is ngwaa na-akọwa ihe na-eme n'ahịrịokwu. It explains the action that is taking place. It is a doing word or an action word. Another example we have is John riri nri. If you say something like, the riri there is the verb. If you say something like John nri, John nri, we know that nri is not John's surname. So what happened to John nri? That is where the verbs come in. The verb comes in. John riri nri. These are the examples. Now let's do something. Let's elaborate this ri as a verb, ri. You can say Ngozi riri nri. Ngozi ate food. Ngozi riri nri. Ngozi na-eri nri. Ngozi is eating. Ngozi kpọrọ anyị oriri. Ngozi called us to a feast. Ngozi nwere erimeri. Ngozi has food. And so you can coin words. Remember that the main verb there is the ri. Now whatever thing you add to it, either at the beginning or the end, maọbụ na mbido ya, ndị n'ihu maọbụ na nsonaazụ, has formed a new word altogether, but they are still verbs. Now talking about these types of verb, let's look at the isi ngwaa. The isi ngwaa is a kind of verb that helps, or okay, let's say it is a type of verbs, a verb that you add either to the beginning or the end of the main verb. Mkpụrụ okwu ahụ ị na-etinye maọbụ na ndịnihu maọbụ nsonaazụ ngwaa. For example, this example we did, I gave you guys ri, or let's use another example, gara. Ga is a verb. Now in a situation you say Ngozi ga ahịa, it's not that understandable. Here you need the help of an isi ngwaa, and this time around we are not adding it to the nsonaazụ, to the back of the ga. That means that's where we have Ngozi gara ahịa, gara ahịa. We also have si, where you add ri, awola siri.